Hey guys, it's Melissa. I gotta tell you, I got a little beef to pick with Epson right now. I love Epson. I love my Epson F570. But did you know that your Epson F570 might be called the Pro version? Yeah, guess what? Now there's a Lite version and it's about $500 cheaper and it's literally the same thing. Okay, so here's the deal. Maybe it's not exactly the same thing as it comes out of the box. Maybe it only comes with one set of inks. Maybe it only comes with one roll of paper instead of 3. Maybe it doesn't come with this fabulous, what even is this? Oh, Epson Print Edge. I'm sorry, I literally just had to dig through my drawer for 10 minutes to find this. Also, by the way, it's PC only. I have a Mac and I certainly don't have a whatever this requires, CD-ROM. Okay, so now Epson, thank you very much for making an Epson Lite. For my other friends that don't have an Epson, I do love that for them. Lucky you. Okay, all right, so here's the deal. I'm kind of being facetious, but really this is an awesome option because the Epson F570 is now coming as both the Pro version and the Lite version. And literally the differences are what I just said. You get ink, an extra set of ink. So if you get the Lite version, you're gonna get this. One set of CMYK. What does that mean? That means you get pink, magenta, no, pink is magenta. Pink, you get magenta, yellow, blue, and black. 140 milliliters in each of these. Okay, so you're like, okay, so I get 4 times 140, whatever that math is, and I'm not good at math. If you watch my videos, you know that, instead of getting 8 of them. Okay, so 4 is plenty. It definitely fills up the printer, and there's still some left, as you can see. The other thing is when you get a refill, you're like, okay, well, maybe the refills are expensive. For the entire set of refills, it's $159, and you can get that at that price with another waste tank. So that's the other thing. This one comes with one waste tank, which is installed instead of an extra. Okay, waste tanks aren't that expensive. In fact, you get it for free if you get it with the second set of ink. And let's not even talk about if you're comparing ink prices to other popular sublimation brands. So as I said, $159 for a 140 milliliter set. That's 140 milliliters each. Okay, the other popular brand of sublimation printers, which I also have and I also use and I also like, it's no secret. The ink is way more expensive. So that printer comes with CMYK cartridges that are 20 milliliters each. Okay, so 7 times more here than the other one, and the refills on those are nearly double at over $300 for 30 milliliter refills. These are, if you're keeping up with me, and we might need like one of those big white charts that we write all over with a dry erase marker to keep all of this straight, or I'll just put up a chart and you can see. 140 milliliters each, $159 for the set, or 30 milliliters each, $300 plus for the set. Okay, so that's that. As I said, it also, the Lite version, which I'm pointing to this because literally the printer is the same, everything else is the same, it's just what comes in the box is the Lite version. All right, so then you also get 1 roll of paper instead of 3. Not a big deal, you can add on as you want, and maybe you don't want the 17-inch paper, maybe you prefer the 24-inch, so now you're not even getting what you don't need anyway. This is the thing that I have the most problem with because this, like I said, I've literally never used it. I don't even have a way to use it. And if this is why I was paying $500 more for a printer, oh my gosh. So maybe some of you need this. This is literally like a layout type software. It is not the drivers, it is not the print manager, it is not required. It is not even available for Mac. And this printer is Mac and PC compatible. So there you have it. So I love you, Epson. I love that you are doing this for all of our other non-Epson sublimation friends, for people who maybe decided that they thought converting was a good idea or are using a different printer and want to get a wider format printer, or someone who is jumping into sublimation and now it is finally attainable or affordable for their small business. This is an option. The Lite version is an option. All of the details, description below, in the description below. This is a limited time version and I'm sure these are gonna go like hotcakes. So if you want one, make sure you grab it, especially coming up during the holiday season. So the Epson F570 Lite is now available. It is at least a $500 savings if you just look at the 2 base bundles. It went from about $25.50 to $19.99. So big savings there. And even if you add up the extras, the ink, the extra waste tank, the 2 extra rolls of paper, and if you want this, if someone wants this, I will literally send it to you. Okay? Okay.